This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the bunny basket. So I am going to start by folding my basket on the score lines. Okay, and then I'm also going to curve this. Okay. Now, this piece that is just solid with no design in it, this is your back. And you're just going to line this up and leave a small border all the way around everything. Okay, just like that. We also have these panel pieces, and one is just a little bit longer than the others. That's the bottom. Then you have the two sides, which I'm also going to curve. And I forgot to curve it. And I want to put this piece on the inside. Then we have our bunny face. Now, I'm not going to put glue on the ears, except for where this strap would follow, where the handle would follow around, because this is just going to be hanging over, okay? So again, you just want to kind of line up and give yourself a border. And then you want to put your ears in. The insides of your ears, I should say. And you have cheeks for your bunny. And then the bow I'm going to do after I put the sides on. So you just want to fit that around and lay it down and press these into place. And I'm going to do the other side. Press that down. I'm going to put glue on both sides this time. I'm going to press it from the inside. Okay, so there it is so far. I'm going to bring my bow over. And put my flower together. I'm going to use some foam tape here to raise it up. And I'm also going to raise up this part. there is the bunny basket. Thank you for joining me.